How to change country or region on the Riot account. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to change your region or country on your Riot Games account. But before getting started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as well. So the very first thing you need to do is open up any web browser you have. You can do this on any device. If you're on PC, that's okay. You can just open up your website and just go ahead and log into your Riot Games account. Once you have done that, you can just go ahead and go to my account right here on the top right corner, and you'll see the settings menu. Tap on it and it will take you to the settings menu of your account. Now you will find all of your information about your account on this, and on your account management page on the top of your screen you will see different sections like news, esports, shop, and support. You just have to head over to the support section because there is no active way to change your region on this settings menu. Now once you get to the support section, you just have to go ahead and scroll down. As you can see, there is no option to change region right here. So you just have to scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll have to click on submit a ticket. Now it will have to be a choice of your game, so you can do any of that. So I'm just going to choose League of Legends. Now once you do that, you can choose your request type, and here you are going to select account management, a data request or deletion, and then it will take you to another page. So from here you must be logged in. So if it says that you're not logged in, you just want to sign in again. So once you have logged back in, you're going to select your request type to this, and then it will take you to another page. Now here you'll have to fill out a few more details. So on your platform, you're going to choose whatever you're using, and on the subject you can write down region change. And once you do that, you can select your inquiry, and here you're going to select account management, and then on your select your inquiry, you can do this one right here, need help changing region or residence, country assigned to account. And then you can add a description right here, telling them that you want to switch your region or the place that you have registered this. You're no longer staying there and you've changed your residence. And if you want to update your region of residence, you can also check here. But if it's not here, you can thoroughly write down on the description sections. And to support your description, you can add few attachments. And once you do that, just tap on submit, and Riot's help and support team will contact you within 1 to 3 business days, and you should be able to change your region. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.